The sample data set 4, 10, 21, 22, 38, and 1,000 contains an extreme value. The measure of center is influenced most by which extreme value? Is it A, mean, B, median, C, mode, D, mid-range, or E, mean and mid-range? I've listed the definitions below. The mean of a set of data is a measure of center found by adding the data values and dividing by the total number of data values. The median of the data set is a measure of center that is the middle value when the original data values are arranged in order of increasing or decreasing magnitude. The mode of a data set is a value that occurs with the greatest frequency, and all the way over to the right I have the mid-range. The mid-range of a data set is a measure of center that is the value midway between the maximum and minimum values in the original data set. So, in the presence of an extreme value in a given data set, both the mean and mid-range are influenced the most. Yes, I did just give you the answer, which is E, but that's because the mean is the average of all the scores in a data set, and the mid-range is the difference between the highest score and the lowest score. So an extreme value can highly affect the value of the mean and mid-range. Let me give you an example. Let's bring up the calculator. It's on, go to stat, enter. Let's enter some values in here. Let's enter 4. Oops. Now let me clear that out. Let's enter 4, 10, 21, 22, 38, and we'll enter 40 in here. Now, if we go to stat again, over to calc into one variable stats and hit enter. We want list 1. We're going to calculate it. And it's showing that the mean is 22.5. Our mid-range would be 36. And let's go down to the median. The median is 21.5. Okay. Let's go back to stat and try another set of numbers. Let's edit. And we're going to keep all the same numbers with the exception of 40. And we're not going to make 40 the number 1,000. When we do this, let's go over to calc again. One variable stats, enter. We're going to use L1, calculate, enter. Our mean has now changed to 182.5 to where it used to be 22.5. The mid-range has changed to 996 to where it used to be 36, but the median is still 21.5. So that's showing us that the mean and the mid-range are going to change. So that's going to have the value that's going to, that measure of center is going to be influenced most by the extreme value. So E is our answer. Both the mean and mid-range are the measures of centers that will be influenced most by the extreme value.